What practices are prohibited from the point of providing the authorization cards to the NLRB? A lot of organizations use the acronym No Tips to identify what the company and its managers can't do. No Tips stands for no threats, no interrogations, no promises, and no spying. An example of each of these factors will help you understand what management can and cannot do under no tips rules. No threats. Managers in the firm can't threaten employees by telling them that the company will shut down a facility that votes for unionization and send the work elsewhere, maybe overseas. No interrogations. The manager is prohibited from calling individual employees into the manager's office and asking them about union organizing activities on the part of others in the workforce. No promises. Management cannot promise employees that if they vote against union authorization, they will receive raises or changes in their benefits packages. And no spying. Management is prohibited from planting individuals in union organizing meetings or other activities so that those individuals can report back to management on what's being discussed or who attends the meetings. Remember, however, that these are just examples of the things that are prohibited under the NLRA. There is also one final limitation on actions by the organization and its managers in the last 24 hours prior to the union authorization election. Management is prohibited from holding group meetings with employees who will vote on unionization during this 24-hour period. Once an election is held, a simple majority of those voting determines the success or failure of the campaign. In other words, if only 51 workers in a bargaining unit of 200 vote, and if 26 of those voters desire union membership, then membership in the union will be authorized.